Today I'm sharing my creamy, cheesy, baked mac and cheese recipe. Wait until you taste it. While our water is boiling, let's go over our cheeses. I like to use cheddar cheese, colby jack, mozzarella. You can stick to these three, but I'm gonna go with a fourth, American cheese. I have a cup of each in these bowls, but I'm going to split them. To a separate bowl, I'm adding half cup of mild cheddar, half cup of colby jack, half cup of mozzarella, half cup of American. It's important that you shred your own cheese. You can have it cut at the deli for free. Just don't use the ones that are shredded in a bag. Those come with a waxy film and don't melt well. To a pot of boiling water, add about 1 tablespoon of salt and about a teaspoon of olive oil to help with sticking. You can use elbow pasta, but sometimes I like to use corkscrew Cavatappi. It holds the sauce so well and just looks prettier. You want to cook it according to your package directions. This one cooks in 8 to 9 minutes. Once done, using a colander, drain your pasta and let it sit in your sink while we work on our cheese sauce. The key to ultra creamy mac is roux. We're going to make a bechamel sauce to coat each noodle in cheesy heaven. Add 1 stick of unsalted butter to the same pot. I've got my heat set at a number 4. Once melted, we'll saute 3 minced garlic cloves to infuse amazing flavor. Turn your heat down to low so you don't burn the garlic. Now add 2 tablespoons of cornstarch to slightly thicken it. Mix or whisk well to dissolve the cornstarch. Now add 2 cups of half and half and 2 cups of heavy cream, or you can do 2 cups milk and 2 cups heavy cream. I wish you guys could smell how good it smells already. Now we're going to add 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard. Now the mustard may seem like an odd addition, but trust me, it really brings out all the other flavors. Season with salt and pepper, and this is to your taste. We're also going to add 2 teaspoons of Italian seasoning, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne, or 1 whole teaspoon of cayenne if you want a spicy kick, and give it a mix. Now you want to turn up your heat to about a number 7 so it comes to a simmer. You don't want it boiling, but only to a simmer. Once it simmers and slightly thickens, turn your heat off. We're going to add our cheese. You want to mix and remove from heat while the cheese melts. You don't want to ruin it. Here's what we've got so far. This is looking great. Now it's time to add our pasta. We're going to mix the pasta in the cheese sauce. You guys, this mac is unbelievably cheesy and creamy. Now spray some oil to a baking dish. We're going to add half of our mac and cheese. I'm going to add a layer of cheese on top for an ultra cheesy mac. We'll add a little of each cheese. Let's add the rest of our mac and cheese. Then we'll top with the rest of the cheese. If you like it extra cheesy, you can add a little more cheese. I'm doing cheddar. Now we want to bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 177 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, switch to broil and broil for 2 to 3 minutes for a light golden crust. All right, guys, I just took it out of the oven. As you can see, it's bubbling already. We're going to let it sit for a few minutes, but we're also going to top it off with a little bit of parsley for some garnish. Can you hear that? Look at that. Cheesy goodness. Let's go ahead and give this a try. Oh my gosh, so good. Nothing like comfort food, mac and cheese. So good. I hope you guys give it a try. And if you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a like, share with your friends, and comment below. Thanks for your support. If you haven't already subscribed, please be sure to do so below or hit my little picture on the side. Also, don't forget to hit the little bell to get notified of all of my new videos, and please be sure to check out these links on the side. Share with your friends. Thanks for watching and your support.